The myLeister app already offers many useful features. But there's more good news. New features are constantly being added to the app. Take Solano AT, for example, which lets you configure the interior leather of cars, among other things. Now, you only have to configure one device. You can then easily apply the same settings to other devices. You can also use the material descriptions in recipes to manually transfer the corresponding parameters for a required test welding to the device. There are two ways to register devices such as Unidrive with your cell phone or desktop computer. You can scan the barcode on the machine with the myLeister app and thus automatically complete the registration process. You can also enter the article number and serial number manually if the device is not nearby. You can also customize the user interface of the app, move, remove, or change the order of tiles just the way you wish and according to your individual needs. See for yourself and test the myLeister app with integrated demo version and with no need to register. Now available for download in your App Store for iOS, Android, and Windows.